So here we have the My BodyBoard and we have our magnetic pack, and this one is designed, as you can see, it's an A3 size which would fit on the professional board. We have an A4 size which fits on our school version. So what are magnetic packs and what is this one? Well, this one's around the dangers, or certainly the facts around vaping and e-cigarettes. So you get a number of different magnets, you get a full activity guide that gives both the information on the warming up, about each magnet and some information you can use as a teacher, a full activity guide that's around about an hour, showing you also throughout topics and the areas that you could really get to grips with the young people. And as you can see, as I'm turning over here, and I'll show you as we go through, you can quite quickly build up a great looking board. And do remember that not only down with the activity plan, you've also got, of course, both sides to use. And that's especially useful for packs such as this vaping pack. So what I'm going to do is I will place this now. I will take some of these magnets, and they come in this pack, as I say, and they're kind of what we call kiss cuts. So you've got a number of different sets here, and immediately you can see as they come, you're able to pop them out and place them directly, because they're magnetic, on the board. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now speed up the video, and I'm going to place these all on so that you can see a completed board. And you'll find that many of these, they fill up the whole board. But what you would normally do is hand them out to the class, get them to talk about them either individually or in pairs, and then present them on the board and discuss to the group what they think that magnet means. In some cases, there are also text descriptions. So here we go. So there we have a kind of completed board, and as you can see, we have different areas that talk about the physical potential effects that can happen in regard to vaping, and especially if there are illegal vapes, you don't know what's in them, but also more and more research is saying that certain parts of the body can be affected. Information on how they work. Come on, we're educating people. What can be in them? What can happen? Because there have been instances where there's been such things as what's called popcorn lung, etc., where it's damaged the body. Again, all the information is in here. As you can see as well, of course, when we turn over, we also have a lot of different images on both sides. There's that many magnets to be able to use to discuss on the My BodyBoard. So this is the Vaping My BodyBoard. You can find this at myeducationworld.co.uk. It comes with activity plan, you buy the board, and the great thing is you can put this up as a display and then take it all down, place it back in your folder with each magnet, and then you're ready to use the My BodyBoard again for the next lesson, which could be maybe on our magnetic pack about the dangers of alcohol or tobacco. Hope you enjoy. Look forward to any comments, and hopefully you're going to really enjoy using this with your class. Thank you.